Hey everybody, it's me, Play with Fire. Got a set of horns. They're loud. I got my new set of electronic earmuffs on. I got these off Amazon. I'll find a link for you. It's a Farben air horn compressor. 200 watts they claim. Current is 16 amps. And air pressure is 0.12 millipascals. 12 volt. Let's give this a hoot. Yeah, I think that'll do it. I'm gonna be bolting it under the hood of this. My 94 Sunrunner. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. New shoes for the Trailblazer because the other ones were getting kind of worn.